Social Civic Projects Fund ng tanggapan ng ating Pangulo. Kasali po ang lahat ng 42,011 barangays. Okay, for our next question po. Sa request letter po, ay ang inilagay namin na project ay para sa 100K ay purchase of service vehicle. Ang tanong po namin ay, pwede po ba na sa ibang project namin gamitin yung 100K kagaya po ng purchase of printer at laptop? Okay, for our panel.
Kapag nag-request po, nag-send po sila ng request letter at yung sa request letter po nila is purchase of service vehicle and they want to change their mind and purchase something else, they have to send another request letter para mabago po yung unang request because the request has to be coordinated. So, babaguhin po nila yung request nila, papadala sila ng bago, stating yung bago po nilang napag-isipan, which is yung printer at desktop. Ganun lang po. And it has to be coordinated po sa Office of the Executive Secretary and the National Liga Office so that we can also edit our database.
So, yun po. As long as mag-coordinate lang po ulit, maaari pong baguhin ang inyo pong naisumiting request. Okay, for our next question.